of here right now.
Why?
Em, start the car. Let's go.
Grace, what's going on?
Brandon, my boyfriend is a vampire.
Brandon? I've never seen him sparkle.
Well, he's not Robert Pattinson. He's more like Paul Wesley with the hair and the fangs and the... God, this is serious.
This is ridiculous.
You don't believe me.
Rach, it's just... Well, how long have you been thinking?
Thinking? No, I know. I just saw him biting someone.
Okay, that is a little weird, but that doesn't make him a vampire.
Garlic? He doesn't like garlic. He hates when I eat garlic.
That's because your breath stinks.
Remember that time you bit me? I ended up in the hospital for a week.
Yeah, you guys are freaky like that, though.
You're not that freaky. Look, Em, I didn't tell you, but when I woke up in the hospital, doctors told me I'd lost a lot of blood. A lot of blood.